and welcome to another unboxing video. As mentioned in all our videos, if you see anything you like, let us know. You can contact us by calling us or emailing us to put stuff on reserve. So let's see what's in here today. Some DVDs. Oh, a Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood for the kids. Vienna Blood, another movie. Bad Boys, always a fun watch. We have The Hidden Beach by Karen Swan. Lots of battle fiction this week. The Shadows by Alex North. Brad Thor's Near Dark. The Stone of Sorrow. With Archer at Dawn. Looks interesting. Hot Dog Girl, a YA book. It's supposed to be very funny. Death at Her Hands. This one looks spooky. Let's see what it is. Unreconciled. Ooh, we got some dark books in this batch. Mallory. The sequel to Bird Box. Nora Roberts' latest. Again, you can always call and put books on reserve. A new one by Clive Cussler. Daniel Silva's in as well. A lot of popular authors in this batch. Mary Alice Monroe. The Little Family. Emma Strub, All Adults Here. We have Robert B. Parker's latest. Jeffrey Deaver, The Goodbye Man. This is a good batch of books. The Scandalous Queen, Kathleen Howard. And Masterclass by Christina Delcher. All right, that's box number 1. Let's move to box number 2 and see what's in here. Oh, we've got some paperbacks. Tall, Dark, and Cowboy. Oops, sorry. Nice cowboy romance. Dark Skies. The Hilarious World of Depression. Sounds interesting. Oh, Jenny Lawson blurbed it. She's of Fiercely Happy. The Flatshare audiobook. Sebastian Barry, 1,000 Moons. We have some kids' books in here. Another French one. Looks like it's all monsters. Poor cat's hiding from them. Oh, Stephen Fry's book. He wrote one. Heroes on Greek Myths. Should be a good one. The Subtweet. The Gay Agenda. A Modern Queer History Handbook. Ooh. Very colorful. Oh, we've got Llama back, Unleashes the Apocalypse. Last time he destroyed the universe, so I wonder what he's up to this time. We got Camping with Unicorns, another Phoebe graphic novel. The Word for Friend, looks adorable. Superhero versus School. It's quite the fight. The Half-Sister. We have Tori Amos's book, Resistance. This was a very interesting Bluebeard version of Bluebeard. It's a graphic novel. The illustrations are lovely. Dewdrop, adorable. The Outsider. We're getting down to our last few. Pretty Things, a novel by Janelle Brown. And we have The Secret Messenger by Mandy Robotham. And our last one is Elephants. Learn all about elephants. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. We've got lots of new stuff. Give us a couple weeks to get it all cataloged and processed. But again, in the meantime, if you see something you like, just contact the library and we can put it on hold for you. Thank you.